All right, I got fish on.
Fish on.
Yeah.
Fish on, brother.
Yep. Let's see what we got here. All right. Ooh, it's a fighter too. Fights pretty good. There it is. Oh yeah. Pretty good size striper. Look at this. Woo! Look at that nice looking striper.
This is beautiful, bro.
Huh? Let me rinse it out real quick. Look at this guy. Woo! That's beautiful fit, beautiful striper. That's about 16 inches on. Yeah. You want a picture with it?
Got some cards there.
Check this out, guys.
See if I got something like that in Grove, you want me to take it home with me? Fuck that. I'm taking that shit home. That shit.
There it is, guys. That's a striper right here in Benicia. Ooh, and for release. Look at that. That's nice. Cool. All right, here's Stevie. Got his first fish
Of the day.
Are you sure it's on there?
Better be. Oh shit.
He got you though. Took your stuff.
Yeah, he was.
Took your bait. This one's a fighter too. Yeah, look at that. I mean, it's not a keeper. It's a good size one though.
If there's no limit on those things, that would be pan size.
Let's measure it. Let's see what is measured at.
I think he's about what, 10?
He's about 10 inches.
I don't know. Check it out.
I'd say it's about 14. Let's see. Let's have some fun. Let's find out.
Let's see, 11, 12.
Oh, look at that. 14 and a half.
14 and a half inches?
Yep.
Let me see.
See right there?
Ain't no ruler, is it?
Hmm?
That's a fish. That's a fish tank.
Yeah, it's a ruler. Man, this guy's just... He won't let me free him. You got a lot of energy.
Nice.
Look at that. It is.
That's a fish ruler then, right?
Yeah. Well, it's just a regular ruler.
It can't be a regular ruler. What inside? What did it say?
14 and a half. All right, fish number 2. Steve. I gotta take a picture real quick before I release it. But still going for the big one. I'll put you in the background, Steve. There it is, Steve. It's pretty cool. He's out of there. That was fun. All right, let's get serious. Gotta catch a. Oh, I got a big one. Ah. This is a good one, dude. Yeah. Woo. This is a keeper one, dude. Look at that. Yep. Yeah. That's how you do it. Let's measure it. That's how you do it, Steve. I tried to tell you. I tried to tell you, brother.
Might put some bougie on you, man. You're a fisher, man. You're a fisher. Not even a keeper yet. Almost 16. 14 ain't good enough, bud.
18, dude, look. Look at that.
18 inch?
Yeah, but I'm not keeping it. I'm gonna take a picture though.
Ain't as big as the ones you caught now.
Nope. It's not. Look at this guy. Ooh. Clean it up a little bit. All right, look at this. It's about an 18-inch striper. Yeah. It's a good keeper, but... Yep. There it is, Steve.
Yeah, really.
All right, check out this striper. 18 inches. All right, time to do a release. You want to keep it? Sure. You want to get your own? Stevie wants to keep his own striper, but I'm letting mine go. I'm just doing a catch and release today. He's gone. He's out of there. All right, you're next, Steve. It's pretty cool. He's out of there. There it is, Steve. Look at that fish. There it is, guys. I caught like 4 smelts. And like, how many stripers have I caught already? Like 5? But anyways, look at this. This is over here at Benicia. It's time to release. There it is. I think this is only, but they're kind of small though. I think this is, how big this is, about 10 inches? But if you just like having fun catching them, this is the place right here. Look at that. There's my friend Steve right there. Hey, I can only take you to the water, dude.
You guys, you got anything cut for me?
There's plenty in this cut.
I want to see it. Did you take a picture of it?
Nope. He was dying, dude. I didn't want it to die. It's pretty big. Wasn't a keeper though.
It was a keeper though.
Nope, not yet. He wasn't ready.
If I get the keeper, I'll get my big stuff tonight.
Holy shit. You might have to stay here. You might have to stay out here for a month. The way you're going.
Oh shit.
You might have to be out here fishing for a couple months or so. Because you may not get one for a while.
It's gotta be out there, huh?
It don't matter.
Sure does, man.
Try to get as closest to the middle or past the middle.
That's where it's at. You got another one?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Of course, dude. Fishing for fun right here, buddy. Too bad I didn't get to film that big one though. This is actually a good size. Look at that. Ooh. Dang it. Whew.
ooh, yeah, that's nice.
It's a pretty good size.
Mm-hmm.
Look at this, baby. Ooh. Relax. There it is, guys. Grizzly. I'm over here, Grizzly Road, catching some stripers. Me and Stevie.
I didn't much bait that quick, man. You got to pull, man.
They know you, dude. They know they can trick you. You see how they try to trick me? Look, check it out. This is how you do it, Steve.
Mm.
Oof, that was a good tug. That fish tugged pretty good. Thought it was a big one. Gotta clean me out. That quick. These fish are fast, dude. They're smart. Smart,
That's fucking healthy.
quick.
You know, man, these fucking fish, though, you can feel them tug, though. I can feel the other one's tug.
Well, let me tell you what.
Wish I'll catch one now.
Yeah. Hopefully you do. Dude, I got a good one on there, dude. I got a pretty good size one. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at this, guys. Woo. Another striper. Damn, look at this good size striper, dude.
That's a fairly good one.
Yeah. It's pretty nice.
How do you get this thing on here, Joe? Can you help me out? Or I've lost it.
No?
Huh?
Look at this, fellas. Another striper.